exam. So like let's see practically what is the prerequisite for writing security application and what exactly like whenever you are from the different background, like for example like civil background or like a mechanical background, and if you wanted to enter into the mechanical, sorry, if you wanted to enter into the security field, what is the prerequisite? You have to do like a CompTIA Security Plus certification. So basically, let's just start now. Let's just see practically what are the prerequisite and see here. This CompTIA is one of the most popular, like certification in the world. Even though if you are from the different background, you can able to approach it into this one. Okay, so what exactly you have to do? See, basically, when you are from the different background and you want to start up your career in the security domain, right from the basic 2 years experience or 3 years experience, even though if you don't have any experience also, you can able to jump into this CompTIA security domain. So let's just see basically this exam. Okay, this CompTIA Security Plus Certification exam is completely of 90 marks. Okay, so I'm going to say like 90 minutes. It have completely 90 questions, and then the passing score for this CompTIA Security Plus exam is 750 out of the scale of 1000. And what are the prerequisite for that one? What exactly is the topic that will cover? What exactly you have to make sure that you have to get perfect in? So this is the following domains, okay, threat, attacks, and the vulnerability. It have 21%, and then whenever you're going for technology and tools, it's completely coming on to 22%, and then whenever you're talking about the architecture and design, it's completely onto like a 15%. All these things will be covered. So you have to basically make sure these topics you have to make it perfect. It's completely depend upon what unit is there, and then based upon that, there will be 21%. Okay, now whenever you are like writing up exam, what do you have to do right now is completely relax and inform the testing center that there should be no voice on the background, and just wait and make sure whenever you are answering a questions, just take 60 minutes of 60 seconds of time, and make sure whenever you are clicking your question, you have to be very careful, whatever. So now the thing right now is don't leave out the questions. Make sure recheck before you complete the exam. You have to do what? You have to completely recheck what activity, whatever activity you are performing. You have to make sure you have to recheck. Now, section number one. Okay, section number one is threat, attacks, and the vulnerability. What I just told you right now. This is like a unit number one. Threat, attacks, and the vulnerability. 21% of exam questions will become into this one. Okay, so in this one, we'll see completely about like a malware, attack types, threat actors, penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and vulnerability types. All these topics which are come under the section one. So let's just see in detail what do you mean by about like a malware, okay, and what is an overview of malware, and what is virus, what is worms, what is ransomware and cryptoware, what is Trojan, what is rats, what is rootkits. We'll discuss everything one by one in detail. Okay, so now let's just start. Okay, let's just start. Okay, with what do you mean by like a malware? What exactly is the malware does? Okay, so now whenever I talk about this malware, malware is like a combination of two things: software plus virus. Okay, whenever attacker wanted to put a virus into a software, that comes what? A malware. So basically, this malware attacker wanted to put this virus into your software. See, malware can have many types. Okay, rootkit, worms, Trojan horses. All these are what? A type of malware. But the question right now is how the malware looks like. Malware is like a, see, as I told you, malware is like a malicious software that can be very bad. It can gather your keystrokes also. Keystrokes means what? Whatever you're typing on your laptop, that will completely get, keystroke will get what? Monitored. So this is what the screen looks to show the example of how the malware looks like. So you have to basically make sure, okay, make sure whenever you try to, like whenever this kind of malware get installed, it will show on your Chrome icon like this. So there are multiple tools right now in the market where we can completely remove the malware. I will show you how do we try to remove the malware also. So now we'll see an overview of malware. In that one, we have like a virus, worms. But the thing is that what is virus? See, what is the full form of virus? Full form of virus is what? Very important resource under suppression. That is the full form of what? Virus. See, a virus will be nothing but if you have some kind of, like a virus is there and you can able to transmit from one laptop to the other laptop by using like what? Using like a pen drive. Okay. Using like a pen drive, you can transmit from one laptop to the other laptop. That means what? Human help is required when we try to propagate the virus. But when I talk about the worms will be automatically self-replicate. You doesn't require any kind of human help. That is what the main difference between like a viruses and worms. What exactly the viruses does? Human help is required when we talk about the virus, and then when we talk about the worms is what? It will automatically self-replicate. Okay. Now, what do you mean by like a viruses and worms in detail? If we like if we think, okay, we want to know more about the viruses. See what exactly the virus does. Okay, virus does, it will enter into our device and then it will automatically do what? It will replicate in our network and it will delete the file. It will like modify the files and it will make what? It will make the performance of our computer very slow. This will happen when we try to use our pen drive and we try to transmit from one laptop to the other laptop. What will happen? Virus will get infected. When I talk about the worms, what exactly the worm does? It will automatically self-replicate. I think you got a clear idea now. What do you mean by like a virus and what do you mean by like a worm now? Okay. So now there are different types of threat attacks and like a vulnerability. We'll discuss one by one in detail. If you like this video, you can simply subscribe and share to your friends. You will get a more